Lately I've been all in deep thought. As I come up for oxygen, I get to thinking, I ain't asked for this life. Man, I just appeared, but I ain't crying on my life, man. Fuck the tears, and I ain't here for no fans, man. Fuck the cheers, I just wanna be free. I've been stuck for years, but I'm finally me, the fucking puppeteer, pulling strings on your peers. Volunteers for damage, it's my year. The pioneer, no scrimmage, it's all here. The spitting image of creme de la Monsieur. The god of rapping, I'm making myself clear. I'm Dr. King, you can call this my premier. The first impression I met with is austere, but you finally met the king. I'm here, but can you hear?
I am undone, the king in the sea, bearing the legacy, perpetually pristine. Living the dream, my ring reigns supreme. Feel my melody, I resonate the dream.
I'm bound to take the crown, I got my weight up. Shit shake when I hit the ground, protect your plate, nigga. Big X when I hit the town, got the streets flooded. Flow deep, try not to drown, nigga, this beat rugged. You gotta love it like McDonald's. And Pacquiao, boy, I get it by the pound. I'm tryna lock the city down. If somebody taking crowns, young jock is going down. See me lifted, so happen to be gifted. These niggas, they all haters, they lack while we keep riches. These street scriptures, I teach what I reap witness. Defeat when these weak bitches go reaching for peak litmus. See, I'm the test that you can never pass. A bunch of dummies in this bitch, but I can never crash. With the rhythm, shit is on me. I'm at the top, but I ain't know it gets this lonely.
I'm swaying in this realm with a crown soulfully playing. Amid the stars, my verses paint